What's good, you guys? Welcome to my summer hairstyle tutorials. This is the curly hair edition. In this video, I'll be sharing how I achieved this easy curly natural hairstyle. It's getting warmer on this side of the continent, and what a better way to bring out your hair and style it out. I won't be speaking much in this tutorial, so if you have any questions and comments, please leave them down below. Also, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this video. Let's curl right into it. A side note, this hairstyle can be achieved with various types of hair. Your hair doesn't necessarily need to be curly. It can also be straight. It can also be relaxed hair or even straight natural hair. It doesn't necessarily have to have curls or be similar to my hair. It's just basically a tutorial showing you how you can style your hair this summer in basically a nice way, even a similar way to this tutorial, not exactly the same way. I hope you enjoy. And that is it for this hairstyle tutorial, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative, and I hope that you can be able to explore and experiment with your hair. This is the season for us to be outside, look good, be beautiful, dress wonderful, be bright, vibrant. And I personally love having my hair out when it is summer because it's humid. My hair doesn't get super dry because of thin air in the winter time. So therefore, when the air is humid, it's hot, it's the time to bring out my hair. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you too can be able to style your hair. Without further ado, I will see you guys in my next hair tutorial.